Today we have come up with a famous Donne Biriyani recipe. This is a very delicious recipe and easy to make. So let's start the recipe. For this, in a bowl, take in half cup of hung curd. To this, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of refined oil, and salt as per taste. Now we have to mix all this together and our marinade is ready. So mix this nicely till it all comes together. So now to this marinade we are going to add 800 grams of chicken. This I have used with skin. You can also use it without skin as per your choice. Now marinate the chicken with the spices nicely. So the chicken is nicely coated, and keep this aside for half an hour. Now let's wash and soak the rice. For this recipe we need 2 types of rice, that is the basmati rice. I've taken 2 cups of basmati rice, and the jeera sambar rice. This is 1 cup of jeera sambar rice. Wash this nicely and soak it for half an hour. Now for the masala, in a pan, take in 2 tablespoons of oil, to which add in half a teaspoon of shahi jeera, 2 cinnamon stick which I have broken into small pieces, then 3 to 4 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamom, green cardamoms we have used, then 1 mace, half a teaspoon of stone flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now fry these whole spices till they turn aromatic. It might take 1 to 2 minutes. To this now add in 20 cloves of garlic peeled, 1 inch of ginger which I have chopped into small pieces. Now fry this along with the whole masala. To this we are going to add around 8 to 9 green chilies. Check the spiciness of the green chilies and add accordingly. If they are too spicy, reduce the number of green chilies and increase if they are less spicy according to your taste. Now add in 2 medium sliced onions. Saute all this nicely till the onions turn color. Now our onions are done. To this we are going to add half a cup of mint leaves, mix it together. Add in half a cup of coriander leaves. Mix everything together and fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So now our masala is ready. Now let's cool this down and then grind it into a smooth paste. So here I am adding it to a mixer jar. and grind it nicely till all the whole spices and the masala is nicely turned into a paste. This is how it will look. Now we are entering the final stage of the biryani process. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. To this add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add in 2 to 3 bay leaves, 2 star anise, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 2 big cardamom, 2 Marathi Muggu. You will get this in a spice shop. Then 4 to 5 cloves, 2 inch cinnamon I have broken into small pieces. Saute all this together till the masalas release the flavor in the oil and get aromatic. So now our masalas are nicely sauteed. To this we are going to add our chicken pieces that we marinated earlier. Just move the chicken pieces around so that they don't stick in the pan. So we have added all the chicken pieces together and just saute it in this oil and whole spices mix. You will see the chicken releasing some juices. Mix it nicely. After 3 to 4 minutes of the chicken and the masalas getting sauteed nicely, we are going to add the green masala that we had, masala paste that we had made. So this is the paste. Add the paste and mix it with the chicken nicely. Now we are going to cook this chicken in the masala paste separately. Don't add water to this at this stage. We'll have the water oozing out from the chicken. So let the chicken get cooked in its own juices. Now after adding this green masala, give it a nice mix. We have added salt in while marinating the chicken, but now to this masala we'll add a little salt. So check the salt and add it as required. Mix it nicely. And we are going to cover it and keep it till the chicken is almost 60 to 70% done, of 10 to 15 minutes. So cover and keep this for cooking. So here our chicken is done. You check the chicken because every chicken takes time to cook, and preferably take a smaller chicken that weighs around 1 kg to 1.2 kgs. Smaller chickens taste good. So our chicken is done. Now to this we are going to add water. So we are using basmati rice and jeera sambar rice. We are using 3 cups of rice. So here we have taken, for 1 cup of rice you have to take 1.5 cups of water. So we have taken 4.5 cups of hot water. Add this hot water to this mixture. Now add in salt for the rice. So what I do is I take per glass of rice, I take 1 teaspoon of salt. So here I am adding 3 teaspoons of salt for the rice. You add in little at first, mix it and then taste it and add if required. So now we are going to let all this come to a nice boil. So the chicken and the gravy has come to a nice boil. At this time we are going to drain the rice that we had soaked and add it to this chicken. So first I'm adding the basmati rice. You can add any rice first. I'm just draining and adding basmati first, and this is the jeera sambar rice. You can also make it only with jeera sambar rice if you want. That also tastes very good. I have made it like that. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. At this stage I add in ghee because it mixes nicely with the biryani and gives the biryani a nice flavor. To this add in around 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Mix this and let it come to a boil. Now once it boils nicely, lower the flame to very low and cover it and keep it for dum for around 15 to 20 minutes until the biryani is done. So after 15 minutes, this is how our biryani looks. It's extremely delicious and you can enjoy it with a raita of your choice. So please do try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.